Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Chauhan. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I have done my graduation in BCom Honours from IP University in 2023. In order to enhance my skills in core finance, so after graduation, I dedicated my 3 months to financial modeling and valuation training at Investment Banking Institute. If you talk about my experience was exceptional, especially under the guidance of Manoj sir and Ankur sir. This course covered everything from basic to advanced Excel, building model from scratch, DCF and other various valuation techniques. Also, they delivered concepts like LBO and merger and acquisition, etc. After completing this course, I participated in mock interviews where Manoj sir provided valuable insights on answering professionally. Again, I would like to thank Manoj sir and Ankur sir for their training and mentorship. And I finally landed as a financial analyst position in a reputable company. I can assure that if you give your 100% to this course, if you give your 100% effort to this course, Manoj sir and Ankur sir will give you 1000% of return. Thank you so much.